Membrane switch is the customized product, which is composed of multiple different layers. One of the layers is metal dome. So what to do if those metal domes fail to work? If there is no response after you press a button, but other buttons are functioning normally, this is probably the failure of that metal dome. Metal dome failure means that the shrapnel in membrane switch has lost its elasticity. When you press the button, the upper and lower circuits aren't turned on. The membrane switch can't work. So can we directly replace a single metal dome? The answer is yes. Membrane switches are installed one by one manually or mechanically during the production process. We only need to find the same type of metal dome. Tear the graphic overlay apart. Ensure that the double-sided tape in the middle of the circuit layer can still work. Find the damaged thing and replace it. After that, make sure that the installed metal dome can work normally. You need to do a test and then put the graphic overlay back. Then, the membrane switch works smoothly. JRPanel has many years of experience in membrane switch design. Welcome to contact us and place an order.